Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Vicks Sinex Severe Nasal Decongestion. So I'm feeling like I'm getting a little sick, a little stuffy, so heard this works really well. Here's the drug facts on the back. All right. If you're watching this, hope you're all feeling better. Hope you all feel better soon. So squeeze, turn cap. Cool, let's get into it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. Alright. So it's sealed both the top and the bottom. That's it. And then this is what it looks like. Yeah, and a child safety proof where you got to press these two tabs down, twist it off, spray into your nostrils. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.